Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Mastek Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Mastek with a price target of Rs 3,610 as we believe the company is on track to achieve industry-leading growth given the strong start to FY25 and supported by growth in North America and continued expansion in the UK, as well as strong momentum in healthcare and other global verticals. At current market price, the stock trades at 25.9 times its FY25, 22.2 times its FY26 and 18.8 times its FY27 EPS. Next we cover Tata Consumer Products. Our analyst maintains buy on Tata Consumer with a price target of Rs 1315. Tata Consumer's Q2 FY25 performance was broadly in line with expectation, with revenues growing by 13% year-on-year, organic growth was at 5% and operating profit margin rising by 50 bps year-on-year to 14.9%. Higher interest costs led to a 6% year-on-year decline in PAT. Going ahead, Tata Salt is expected to perform well. Corrective pricing action will drive recovery in Nourish Company, Capital Foods and Organic India to witness quarter-on-quarter improvement in sales, and India Tea will see price-led growth. Organic revenue growth to gradually improve in quarters ahead. Margins to be under pressure in the coming quarters due to raw material price inflation. However, management is confident of margin improvement in the medium to long term on back of improved mix and efficiencies. Stock trades at 66 times its FY25, 52 times FY26 and 41 times FY27 EPS. We maintain buy with an unchanged price target of Rs 1315.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.